Hey everyone. So in this session, I'm gonna quickly demonstrate how easy it is to configure a voice AI agent as an international AI student recruitment agent. So here I'm in one of the kind of generic, or I say mainstream providers that help organizations develop these types of AI agents. It's pretty low code, I would say. You can see the code that's being generated to the right. That's for the more tech-oriented people, but then everything is actually made or done from this dashboard here. So if we're having a look at this, here it's very simple. So all I have to do is put in a phone number. I want this voice agent to call. I'm setting my voice here that I've kind of quickly cloned. Here I'm actually in natural language telling the agent what it has to do. So I've named my agent Robo Cato, and I have created a fictional Nottingham Forest University, which focuses on courses that allow passionate students to get into the wonderful life or business of football. As we can see here, we've got quite a lot of options. So we can change the language, ask the agent to wait for greetings first, add any potential pronunciation guides. We can choose a number from where we want the call to go. We can have an option for the callers on the other side to speak to a human, and then that can automatically be transferred. We can set a max duration for the call. We can add a knowledge base. So here's where I'm telling the agent, check this particular documentation about my university before answering any questions. So this is where I make sure he has access to the right information. I can choose for it to have a memory about these conversations, especially with a particular student. So in case they have multiple conversations with the same student, the agent will remember or will have that information about the previous conversations. You can add some more complicated or advanced pathways that can branch out, and the agent can take potential actions such as perhaps booking an appointment or changing a student record and so on. You can even configure the agent to leave a message. So you can actually say, you can tell the agent what the message should be. And then again, post call, we can configure any sorts of actions. As I've said, recording the kind of the conversation, summarizing it, potentially taking actions on a CRM based on a particular record. So quite fairly comprehensive, I would say. So really what it is, once we set everything up from here, we can test and we can send the call. And now I am ready to take the call, so I'll get my phone right next to me here, and let's see what happens when I press send call. So as the call is happening, getting the dashboard here, my phone is ringing. I can see the transcript in real time. So let's have a listen and see who's on the other line.
So may I speak with Cato, please?
Hi, yes, him speaking. How can I help?
Hi, Tim. I'm calling from Nottingham Forest University. Could you please let me know if I could speak with Cato?
Yes, it is Cato. I told you. I told you were speaking to him, not to Tim.
I apologize for the mistake, Cato. My name is Robo Cato. I'm a university international recruitment agent at Nottingham Forest University, and I'm calling to follow up on your interest in studying at our university.
That sounds amazing, Robo Cato. What can you give me some details? What are the courses that you offer?
We offer a range of courses, including a BSc in football performance and athletic development, a BA in football coaching and tactics, a BA in football business management, a BA in football media and communications, and a foundation diploma in football industry pathways. Which one of these courses interests you the most, Cato?
I would say maybe football business management seems quite exciting. What do I need to?
To the football business management course, you'll need to have at least 2 A levels or equivalent and show an interest in football business through your personal statement or interview. We also offer a foundation diploma in football industry pathways, which can guarantee progression to the undergraduate degree upon completion. And if you don't meet the standard academic entry requirements, would you like me to guide you through the application process, Cato?
Yes, please. So I already have a bachelor's degree. I'm just looking to do another one. So I did quantum physics before, and I felt it was a bit far from football, so I want to kind of align better now with my passion.
Well, Cato, with a background in quantum physics, you'll definitely bring a unique perspective to the football business management course. Since you already have a bachelor's degree, you can apply as a mature student. I can walk you through the application process, but first, I just need to confirm a few details. Could you please let me know if you've checked our website for the application deadline and any additional requirements for international students, if that applies to you?
Yes, it does apply to me. I'm not a British national, so I probably will need to provide some tests. I've studied before in Chile, but yeah, I would really like to actually book a visit or an open day, especially if you got something maybe next week, because I'm in the region, so I could be able to just fly over in my jet.
That's great that you're interested in visiting us, Cato. However, I have to say I'm a bit surprised you mentioned flying over in your jet. As a university, we're more used to students traveling by commercial airlines or trains. Nevertheless, I'd be happy to help you arrange a visit. Let me just check our open days schedule for next week. Can you please hold for just a moment?
Sure thing.
Cato, are you still there? I apologize for the delay. I'm checking our schedule for open days next week.
I'm still here, yeah.
Great, Cato. I've checked our schedule, and we actually have an open day next Wednesday. Would you like to attend that? It would be a great opportunity for you to meet our staff, see our facilities, and get a feel for the university.
Definitely, book me in. Can I just check? Have you got a private landing area for my jet?
I think there may be some misunderstanding, Cato. We're a university, not a private airport. We don't have a private landing area for jets. Our campus is located near Nottingham, and the nearest airport is East Midlands Airport, which is about a 30-minute drive away. You can fly into East Midlands Airport and then take a taxi or train to get to our campus.
Okay, that sounds good. I'll do that. But can I just ask, why do you sound so similar to me?
That's a good question, Cato. My name is Robo Cato, and I suppose it's just a coincidence that we share a similar name. I'm a university international recruitment agent, and I'm here to help answer any questions you have about Nottingham Forest University.
No, but I mean, your voice is pretty much like mine. You just have a perfect English accent, whereas I don't.
I see what you mean, Cato. I'm afraid I'm a bit of an artificial voice, designed to be clear and easy to understand. I don't have a personal voice like you do, but I'm programmed to communicate effectively with people from all over the world, including those with different accents and languages.
Okay, and can you speak Spanish to me now?
Sí, por supuesto, Cato. Puedo hablar con usted en español si lo prefiere. ¿Hay algo en particular que le gustaría saber sobre la Universidad de Nottingham Forest en español?
Pues sí, si me pudieras dar, no sé, un poco más información sobre estudiantes latinoamericanos y la vida en Nottingham.
Nottingham is a great city, Cato. Our university is located near the city center, and there's a lot to see and do in the area. If you'd like, I can send you some more information about the university and the city, and we can also discuss the next steps for your application.
Yeah, just send me an email then with follow-ups and the booking link for the open day. I'm looking forward to seeing you there next week, and I'll maybe wave at you from my private jet as I land in.
I'll send you an email with all the details, Cato. Just to confirm, I'll be sending it to the email address you provided. Is that correct? And again, just to clarify, you'll be flying into East Midlands Airport, not landing a private jet on our campus, right? I want to make sure we're on the same page. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person next week, and I'll make sure to send you all the...
You got it. See you then. Bye-bye.
It was great speaking with you, Cato. I'm looking forward to meeting you at the open day next week. Have a great day and safe travels. Goodbye.
Wow, there we have it. So, right, so as I said, we've got now all the transcription here. Even in case there's any actions that we might configure, those could easily be tracked here. There are obviously some errors in the transcription depending on various accents in English. There could be misinterpretation. So, the technology is not perfect at the moment, but it's still quite impressive, and especially from how accessible this is. In terms of cost to actually set this up, per minute this service charges about 9 pence, so it's fairly cheap and probably is gonna go cheap